Stop hiccups instantly with just a spoonful of sugar. This simple trick works by stimulating the vagus nerve, which can interrupt the hiccup reflex in a matter of seconds. When you feel that annoying hiccup sensation coming on, grab a teaspoon of sugar, let it dissolve on your tongue, and let the magic happen. The granules of sugar create an unexpected sensation in your throat, catching your body off guard and resetting your diaphragm. It's a bizarre but effective hack that taps into your body's natural response system. Forget about holding your breath or drinking water upside down. This sweet solution is as quick as it is surprising. Next time you're plagued by those pesky hiccups, remember that your kitchen holds the secret weapon to stop them in their tracks.